Let's have a look at controlling rate-based effects such as the delay by setting up the control pedal to act as a tap tempo. We'll use the dynamic clean patch for this example. Essentially, it's a very basic assignment to set up. Just press the control expression button and then use the value wheel to set the control function to the master BPM tap. Now, any effect within the patch that has a rate control parameter can be controlled by tapping on the control pedal. You do need to go into each effect and set the interval for each effect though. As an example, go into the delay menu and then scroll to the delay time parameter. Turn the wheel clockwise, and as you pass 1800 milliseconds, you'll come across different note intervals. They start from a 16th note right through to a whole note. I've used a dotted 8th note here, which gives me that slapback type effect. Of course, if you wanted to, you could go and sync the chorus to the beat as well. You could make it a half note, which would give you a full sweep and back again for every bar, or maybe a whole note. This would give you one sweep per bar. Experiment with the different settings to see which sound cool to you. These settings also work for the phaser, flanger, univibe, humanizer, pan, vibrato, slicer, or pretty much any effect that has a rate parameter.